Hey guys, welcome back to TechSphere. I'm here. Today I'll show you 7 awesome tricks that you probably didn't know about on Android. These are super useful. They'll make your phone better in 2025. So let's get started. Now, the first trick is all about making your phone feel faster. Go to Settings, scroll down to About Phone, and then tap on the build number option 7 times. That's it. You now have developer options enabled. Now go inside developer options and find the animation scale option. Simply set it to 0.5x, and you'll see that everything on your phone feels much faster. This is an instant way to make your phone feel No. 2 is an important battery saving trick. Head to Settings, then Battery, and then scroll down to Battery Optimization. Now here you'll see a list of all the apps in your phone. Now turn off the apps that you don't need, those that you don't want running in the background. By turning them off, your phone will save battery, and also it will not get bogged down by those apps running in the background. Your phone will be more snappy and faster. Trick No. 3 is super useful in Digital Wellbeing. Now Digital Wellbeing has a lot of options, but the one that I like the most is app timers. Here you can set a daily limit for an app. Once you do that, your phone will be less distracting, and again, your phone will be faster since there's one less app that's constantly running in the background. Now at No. 4 is the one-handed mode, which is very useful if you're using a big phone. So if you're using a large screen device, it might be a bit hard to reach the top. So what you can do is swipe down at the bottom edge of the screen and bring down the UI like this. This makes your phone easier to use. It's called one-handed mode. Enable it and use it. At No. 5 is a very interesting trick. Go to Settings, then Apps, and then Default Apps. Now here you can set your preferred apps as default. For example, you can set your preferred browser, messaging app, dialer, and whatnot. Now this is very useful because sometimes third-party apps can be a little annoying. So when you set the default apps, everything will be smooth and nice. Trick No. 6 is simply turning on dark mode. Now dark mode looks great, and it also saves battery, especially on old phones. So turn it on and use it. And finally, at number 7 is the nearby share option. Now this is like AirDrop for Android. It's super useful. You can send files really fast from one phone to another. Just turn it on and use it. So there you have it, 7 hidden Android tricks that make your phone better. Now these are some of my favorite tricks. Which one did you like the most? Comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like the video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.